Hello, this is Teacher Brenda. Today we are gonna check zero conditional, but first take a look in these experiments. What happens if you mix blue with red? Correct, you make purple. And what happens if you mix yellow with blue? Great, you make green. Now, let's try to mix oil with water. It doesn't mix, right? And what about if you heat an ice cube? Well, in a moment, it melts, right? The zero conditional is used to talk about scientific facts, habits, general truths, and things that happen the same way every time. To form the zero conditional, we need two clauses. But what is a clause? Well, a clause is like a sentence formed by a subject and a verb. This clause can also have a complement. In all the conditional structure, we have the if clause and the main clause. The if clause in this case is the cause, and the main clause is the effect. They have to be separated by a comma. In this case, the if clause has to be in present simple, and the main clause has to be also in present simple. This is an example. If you heat water, it melts. If you mix yellow and blue, you get green. It always happens at the same way. And take a look on the structure. You have the subject, the verb, and the complement. There are some examples in which the main clause is at the beginning of the idea, and then you have the if clause. In this case, you have to eliminate the comma. The example is, you get COVID if you don't use a mask. Let's make some other examples. My mother gets angry if I fail the exam. I take a pill if I get sick. I get wet if it rains. In the opposite way, it can be like this. If I fail the exam, my mother gets angry. If it rains, I get wet. If I feel sick, I take a pill. Now let's make a summary of all this information. Remember that we use the zero conditional for general truths, habits, scientific facts, or things that happen always in the same way. We need two clauses, the if clause that is the cause and the main clause that is the effect. In both of them, we need to use the present simple. I hope you like this video and I hope you understand better the zero conditional. This was Teacher Brenda and I see you in another video. Bye!